out here. I'm going to be making a video of where I live, and I live in a beautiful land. It's very big, so I'm gonna have to do this detail by detail. My hair is gonna get messed up. I'm trying to erase the sprinkler. Okay, so I'm just kind of start at the back. This is the back hen house, and we have turkeys, chickens, ducks, and birds. We used to have a lot more, but you know, time happens and death does too. This is just really fun to jump in. This is a towering stack of gumbo. This is the grain room. If you're lucky, you'll see a mouse or two. It's where the baby chickens usually are. Is that a coyote? Hi, Gunner. Yeah. He eats the animals. I watched him kill a chicken. Those sly escape foxes. Badasses! Mr. H. Eclipse. He has cancer. What's wrong with his eye? Gunner, don't you dare. And this is my baby girl, Ellie. Bruh, don't corner me. I'm being cornered by horses. Ellie, save me. Okay. So, Gunner, this one's Liberty. Camera zoom. Liberty is all blurry. Okay, there we go. Liberty gave birth to those two, right there. Good girl, mama. This is a horse trailer. After you. Yeah, we sleep here a lot, and a lot of the time there's a lightning storm over there, or right there, or right there, basically everywhere, but there. So that's basically the whole house. There isn't much more to it.